to the Mavi Jeans event.
Anna only brought her Uggs.
She's gonna watch this and be like,
So good.
for whatever reason, every time I come to New York, I get like 5,000 tickets.
We're getting the hell out of here.
Oh, let's roll!
Yeah, there's the let's roll. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be a little New York City day trip vlog. So we just got to New York not that long ago, went to a coffee shop, Butler. It's good. They didn't have caramel, which is very strange to me, but I got a vanilla latte. Yeah, it was really weird. Jared didn't get coffee because she's weird and doesn't drink coffee, but Anna and I did. We're on our second already. Only 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now. Batch shooting pictures today. Then we have an event with Mavi Jeans. Then we are doing a restaurant collab. Let's see the hair. Let's see the hair. Yes. Yep. That's a look. Going to the outlets that are on the way because Anna only brought her Uggs. So. I still have my clips in because my hair is sitting. Did we find a pair? There. Can you hold this? Like, imagine you walk into a store and you see this. What? She's cute. Let us see. She's beautiful. With the bird shit on my window in the back? Yes. We're so aesthetic in here. This is mine. They're similar. My little jewelry box. Mine's pink. And Jared's been obsessed with this since... I think I said it to you the day I came here and I saw it in white and then my sister got me the pink one. I'm obsessed with it.
down. Fuck you.
And now she has the white.
Gang.
Gang. Anna got her shoes. We can move on with the day now. We just found this really cute cafe called Butler. I saw it on TikTok. I like pulled over on the side because a lot of the street parking in Soho is after 6 p.m. only, which is a pain in the ass. But I just pulled over into an open spot and put my flashers on because they're just going in to pay and get a coffee, which I'm gonna do, and then they're gonna come back and sit in the car because for whatever reason, every time I come to New York, I get like 5,000 tickets and then I appeal them and they always say that I'm right and I'm not guilty, so. But yeah, it looks really cute. It's like pink themed, like pink and like mint. I don't really know where to put my camera because I don't feel like screwing it onto my tripod, but I'm putting on the rest of my jewelry right now. But I have all my bracelets on this hand. I just got this hand chain recently and I'm obsessed with it. Rings are on. There's some new ones added to the collection. If you know me, I'm obsessed with jewelry if you can't tell, and I love getting new jewelry all the time. And now we're doing earrings. I still need to put my lip liner and lipstick on, but we got Dunkin' on the way up and I got bagel bites from there, so I didn't want to put my lipstick on and then eat. Put that on after I change into my first outfit because I also don't want to get it on this shirt since this shirt is more like form-fitted. Sorry, my flashes are probably so annoying. Hi vlog! So we're waiting for Brenna to get out of Butler. She's getting Anna coffee and then she's gonna get coffee because the cups are pink. So they want to look cute. For pictures. And then we're probably gonna go back over to like where we first came in because like it was all designer stores and it was really pretty. Take some pictures. I still like this. We have arrived. We have arrived. Wait, this is your first vlog?
Yeah.
Welcome to the vlog. Do you like insert like a little ta-da?
Brenna stays at least 5 inches from the person.
She drives literally this close to a person.
I was terrified.
Yes.
But love you, Bren. She's gonna watch this and be like, what the heck?
Alrighty. Let's see on the flip side. If you want to like get out of your comfort zone, put this on your head. Yes. Yeah, there's one side. Let's go take some photos. Come on, let's roll. Yeah, there's the let's roll. vloggy update. It's been hours. We've been taking pictures this whole time, and now we just got to the Mavi Jeans event, and we all thought we were gonna piss our pants. So
the bathroom is so cute.
it is cute, but now we're gonna go to the actual event outside of the bathroom.
Yes.
So. I got to pick something out while I was here, so I chose to get this linen button-up for John. I think this is so cute for the summer with like shorts for a little beachy date night. So they're gonna send that in his size to the house. We just spent the last 45 minutes looking for parking. Our reservation was at 5. It's literally 5:44. We had to park a couple streets away, and now we're walking to the restaurant, and my car's screaming, so I don't know what the hell that means, but whatever. Look at the drink. I just dropped the flower. It's a frozen pina colada and a pineapple with all this fruit and flowers. That is so good. Jared decided to sprint across the street right when the light turned green. Every time I come to New York, I get a goddamn ticket. Because the thing printed the wrong receipt. My bank account, maybe.
Yeah.
I could say you know how much the thing charges.
The time that you took the picture.
Do you hear that screechy noise? Yeah, that's my car. Anyway, so came back to another ticket on my car because why would I not get a ticket? I came to New York. Me, Brenna, Lawrence came to New York. She has to get a ticket, even when she pays to park. Anyway, we're ending the vlog because
we are driving home.
We're getting the hell out of here. Love you, New York. Gotta go. Bye.
Got a blast.
Got a blast.